Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. I really want you to click on that subscribe button. You can like, share, also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. If there's anything you don't understand, say it. I'll watch out for your comments. Now let's take a look at WTI crude oil for this week. But before I actually get started, right, we did analysis that is on our Patreon channel. If you take a look at it, right. So this is the analysis on WTI crude that we did, right. So when you go to the channel, this is our Patreon channel. I'm going to put a link in the comment section below. So if in case you're interested, you can actually sign up. So on this channel, you can see we did analysis on WTI. What we will be watching out for, you can see it on the February 18th, right. We talked about having a particular movement. You can see that this is where the price was currently at that time. That was on the 4-hour time frame, right? We talked about once market opens, we would have a correction. Once we have a correction to around the level of 77, then price will drop to a level of 73, right? You can go back to actually watch it, and we talked about having a profit. Once we hit that level of 73, then a correction will be made. After that correction is being made, then we would have another movement. So it is that movement we'll be covering up. So if in case you want to watch it to confirm this, you just check the link in the comment section. I'm going to put the link also for you. See it's February 20 to 24. You see WTI. We saw the news that which I only made for only my Patreon subscriber. So if in case you want more updates, on WTI crude oil, you are very much interested in getting WTI crude oil updates, all you just have to do is sign up. And if in case you want to get a better trade, instead of blowing your account, maybe you're having hard time, growing your account, so you are very much blowing your account. Why don't you just give us a try and sign up so you'll be able to get better updates from us? So now back to this my analysis. Right, price give us a correction, a drop, and now price has gone up. So one more movement we'll be watching out for on this WTI crude oil. So we are going to cover it soon. So if you stick to the end, you'll be able to get the movement that we are watching out for. So now let's try to do this analysis. So one thing we want to know first on this WTI is go to the weekly time frame. You can see it on the week, right? If you take a look at the full trend, this is a bearish move. WTI is dropping. So in the long run, we would expect more drop to be made. So basically, let's say in probably in 2 months' time, if I think 2 months' time is even far. Let's say in a month's time, or let's say 4-5 weeks' time, we should actually be trading at level of $69 or possibly break below it. So currently, WTI is trading at 76. At first, we talked about hitting a level of 73, then a correction will be made. So now that correction has been made, we will be expecting another movement. So it is what we are going to be watching out for. But first, when you take a look at this weekly time frame, see that this is a bearish move, right? Price is dropping. And when you take a look at this, kind of like when you have to examine it, you see that this is a correction that has come to tap our 10-period simple moving average, also tap our 20-period simple moving average. So the next movement we will be watching out for on WTI is another drop. So we would want to see a breakout of this level, which is a level of 70. So we should be able to see a level, once it break the level of 70, we should be able to hit a level of 69. That is why I said we very much likely to be trading at a level of 69 or below that level on WTI in the long run. So now let's take a look at this daily time frame. So when you take a look at this moment, we are kind of having like an head and shoulder pattern. I mean, if you understand movements, right? Basically one of those patterns that works the most is head and shoulder pattern. So when you take a look at this WTI, you see kind of like an left shoulder, right? Then you can see an head here, which it is what I'm spotting. You can see the head here that has dropped. You can see now we've seen another right shoulder. Guess what? What are we expecting next? In the long run, we will be expecting another drop to break below a level of 70. I've actually covered that movement. If you take a look at the playlist, you watch it, WTI crude oil, February 20 to 24, you can confirm. I told you guys that once it gets to a level of 73, a correction will be made. Then another movement will be made downward to actually take out this level of 70. So this week, we are very much likely to get a drop on WTI that will get to a level of 70 and possibly break that level. So that is what I want you guys to watch. But with this price start giving us a drop, the thing is that very much no, it is not as if markets will start once market opens will start giving us a drop. we need to look at some the fundamental aspects of it. We need to look at what news will be released in the news, what type of news. The news that will be released, is it going to push the WTI crude oil up? Is it going to drop it? We are just going to look at chart and indicate some indicators or charts like the 10 period moving average or the 20 period moving average. Is will the price hit the 10 period before it drop? Or we just need to watch out at all levels, the fundamental aspects of it, the sentimental aspect of it, and the technical aspect of it, to be able to predict when this WTI will start dropping, because there's every possibility that WTI will push up a bit, probably to a level of 77 or a level of 78 before WTI starts dropping. Like I said, WTI is very, very much likely to push to a level of 77, 78 before it starts dropping to this level of 70 that I just talked about. So that's with now all this. If you want to be able to understand the entry level, check the link in the comment section, sign up. Right, once you become our Patreon subscriber, I'm definitely going to give you an update there. So downward to the 4 hour time frame, so this is very much likely to be a final move on the WTI. Maybe once one more movement is being made, we start having that drop, or maybe once market opens, we start having that drop. Basically, we need to understand this. We can't really predict this, but let's see if in case price will actually push up again, which we can't really tell, or price might reverse. Yeah, all these movements we are going to cover it on the channel. And once the movement is being made, what and what, where should we set our profits and where should we grab our profits? So if in case you're interested, the link will be in the comment section.